Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the easy AirDrop activation guide on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. So first, we're gonna start off by enabling AirDrop on both devices for everyone for 10 minutes. Now, let's do the same for this device right here. And now, let's leave it and let's select the picture that we want to send. So for me it will be this full page for an Exit 8. Now let's click on share, click AirDrop, and here we have other devices. So this is my device, and now I would like to accept that photo. As you guys can see, we've got it, and it's literally the same. So this is how the AirDrop works. All you have to do is just make sure that you have AirDrop enabled for everyone for 10 minutes. And if it's your contact, then you can keep it at contact only, so nobody tries to send you something. And that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.